Tenth class Social Bits. The people working in rural areas recommended to take dash kilograms calories 2100, 2010, 2040, 2400. Correct answer 2400. National Institute of Nutrition is in Delhi, Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad. Correct answer Hyderabad. Indian government has made Food Security Act in this year 2011, 2013, 2014. Correct answer 2013. Antyodaya cards are related to all poor, poorest of the poor, persons below poverty line, rich people. Correct answer poorest of the poor. The Bengal famine occurred in the year 1943 to 45, 1840 to 43, 1860 to 64, 1947 to 50. Correct answer 1943 to 45. This is the first requirement for food security. Produce food grains, distribute food grains, export food grains, use of HYV seeds. Correct answer produce food grains. These are associated with food security. Ration shops, midday meal scheme, Anganwadi centers, all the above. Correct answer all the above. Which of the following is responsible for blood formation? Carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals. Correct answer minerals. FCI stands for Foreign Cooperation with India, Food Corporation of India, Fossils Corporation of India, Food Coming to India. Correct answer Food Corporation of India. Which of the following state was the first implemented midday meal scheme program? Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Uttar Pradesh. Correct answer Tamil Nadu. The Antyodaya card holders are entitled to get dash kilograms of food grains. 35 kgs, 45 kgs, 55 kgs, 65 kgs. Correct answer 35 kgs. This organization survey declared that malnutrition is a major problem in India. Government of India through PDS system, Food Corporation of India, National Institute of Nutrition, Integrated Child Development Scheme. Correct answer National Institute of Nutrition. What is the accepted average calories required in India in urban areas? 2100, 2400, 2800, 2500. Correct answer 2100. PDS is associated with fair price shops, cooperative stores, super bazaars, none of the above. Correct answer fair price shops. Example of coarse cereals: jowar, rice, pulses, eat. Correct answer, jowar. ICDS full form: International Children Development Scheme, Integrated Child Development Scheme, Integrated Children Development Scheme, International Child Development Scheme. Correct answer, Integrated Child Development Scheme. Which of the following is not a millet? Jowar, ragi, bajra, paddy. Correct answer, paddy. Bidnapur has which soils? Black soils, alluvial soils, red laterite soils, sandy soils. Correct answer, red laterite soils. Which is the largest school feeding program in the world? Midday meals, morning breakfast, hot cooking meal, dry snacks. Correct answer, midday meal. The scheme that comes under National Food Security Act is Jawahar Rozgar Yojana, Public Distribution System, Indira Awas Yojana, Scheme of Million Wells. Correct answer, Public Distribution System. Government supplies food materials to the people through private companies, public distribution system, super bazaar, multinational companies. Correct answer, public distribution system. Minimum support price is decided by farmers, government, mediators, traders. Correct answer, government. Today about dash children studying in schools eat midday meals. 13 crores, 14 crores, 15 crores, 18 crores. Correct answer, 14 crores. MSP means consumer's price paid by farmers for purchasing fertilizers, price paid by government to farmers for purchasing their produce, price paid by wholesale traders and brokers to farmers. Correct answer, price paid by government to farmers for purchasing their produce. Option C correct. Per capita availability of food grains in USA dash grams: 500 grams, 850 grams, 700 grams, 600 grams. Correct answer, 850 grams. In which state of India Amul Dairy is situated? Gujarat, Assam, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh. Correct answer, Gujarat. Per capita availability of food grains in Europe dash grams: 500, 850, 700 grams, 600 grams. Correct answer, 700 grams. Every person should eat 300 grams of vegetables, but availability was dash grams: 180 grams, 200 grams, 190 grams, 210 grams. Dash percentage of children 1 to 5th years are underweight: 45%, 25%, 90%, 21%. Correct answer, 45%. Indian government has made Food Security Act in the year 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014. Correct answer, 2013. Identify nutrient cereals of the following: rice, wheat, barley, maize. Correct answer, rice. Identify nutrient cereals of the following: rice, wheat, barley, maize. Correct answer, rice. Identify nutrient cereals of the following: rice, wheat, barley, maize. Correct answer, rice. Identify nutrient cereals of the following: rice, wheat, oil seeds, bajra. Correct answer, bajra. Buffer stocks is the stock of food grains procured by the government through IFCI, FCI, IDBI, FICCI. Correct answer, FCI, Food Corporation of India.